Hey friends, welcome or welcome back to the Cook's Cottage. In today's video, we're going to be going in my daughter Paisley's bedroom to give her a little bit of a bedroom glow up that she is so badly needing. So first, we're going to go ahead, do a little bit of cleaning, but without further ado, let's get to it.
What a wasted time. Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine. Gave it my best, but I don't need one more try. 'Cause maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny, we ran out of kicks. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to stay alive now. 'Cause I know what a waste, what a crime, what a time, and I should go. So I take what I can and I toss it in the car. Drive away down the highway, I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all I know, it's time to go. It's time to go. You can pass the blame. Say what you want, you got nothing on me. We won't be the same. Don't you call me up, 'cause we badly need this change. Maybe I'm all out of hope. Could I find it when
Hi friends, I wanted to do a really quick haul with you guys. We just got back from Hobby Lobby and I got a few things for Paisley's bedroom. So I thought I'd go ahead and show you guys. This is like the cutest thing ever. I'm gonna list you the sticker prices, but everything was 40% off. So this was listed for $12.99, but don't forget 40% off. That's why we love Hobby Lobby. So cute for the cottage core aesthetic. $13.99, again, 40% off. I think technically this one goes this way. This one was $29.99. So pretty. Man, these are heavier than they look. So the bigger one was $7.99 and the little one was $6.99. I thought these are so cute. And to go with these, they're giving Beauty and the Beast vibes. I'm loving it, loving it. I got these, which were also $6.99. And they are flameless tapered candles. So cute, so cute. Can you guys see the vision? Is it coming together? This was in the dorm section and my daughter was literally obsessed with it. So this says it was $25.99, but of course with the Hobby Lobby discounts, this is so cute. She's so excited about this. Okay, this little cutie was $5. Is it upside down? It's upside down. And it's little hooks and I was like, oh my gosh. And then she also has a bow hook that I found at Goodwill a couple months ago. Stinking cute. And I feel like it goes so well with like everything that we got. This one was, they were all sold separately, but I saw them and I was like, yeah, we're making these work together. So there's this one, which is a bear and it says be kind. These ones are listed for $20. Little goose. So cute. It's very much so cottage core-y, which I'm loving. And then the cute little bunny. What does this one say? Be sweet. Don't mind the sourdough on my hands, sorry. We were just shaping the dough. This one says be sweet and it's just so cute. So these three together I think will be absolutely adorable. These are just so stinking cute and sweet. The little bear, the goose, the bunny. Again, $20 a pop with that 40% off discount. So that was everything that we got at Hobby Lobby, but we have much more goodies from today's sponsor, which is Quince. All the items you're seeing here are from Quince, which is today's sponsor, a brand that's become one of my favorite places to find beautiful, timeless home essentials. What I love the most is that Quince believes that quality shouldn't be a luxury. They use premium materials focused on sustainable practices, and they keep their prices affordable by shipping directly from the factory to you instead of using the traditional markups. I wanted to add a little more cozy charm to Paisley's bedroom, and Quince was the first place that I looked. I picked up their Waffle organic throw blanket, the European linen duvet cover set, the cotton Fisherman's throw, and the European linen curtains, and everything came together so beautifully. I love how each of the pieces added another layer of warmth and texture without feeling overdone. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love creating spaces that feel relaxed and lived in and welcoming. And these pieces gave the room that effortless cottage feel while still feeling incredibly soft and luxurious. Can we talk about these curtains? They completely transform the room, and I feel like they went perfectly with the duvet cover. These two linen items really feel like they just soften the space, and the curtains let in the most beautiful natural lighting and really tied everything together so effortlessly. One of my favorite design tips is layering different textures. So that cotton Fisherman's throw added the perfect cozy finishing touch, but the organic waffle throw brings in that warmth and the character. If you've been wanting to give your home that cozy refresh with high quality pieces that are made to last, I'll have everything I used linked in the description box below. Be sure to shop through my links if you'd like to check them out. And thank you again to Quince for sponsoring today's video. So I was really stumped on what layout to go with for her bedroom. So this is option 1, but currently we have it set up as option 2. So comment down below letting me know which setup you like better.
I love it.
You do?
Yeah, it feels much more cozy than before.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If this is a video style you like, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know you'll want more of it. And I want you guys to comment down below. I need your help. Which layout option did you guys like better? Option 1 or option 2? So let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you here for the long haul at the Cook's Cottage. But that's going to do it for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.